Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, I'd like to welcome you to another amazing project that recently we completed. The address for this location is at 13 Beadles in Ajax. Listen, guys, so this property took us about 2 months maximum that we renovated the whole entire house from top to bottom. Now I'm going to go through some of the renos and changes that we recently have completed. So I'm going to start from here and I will go all the way upstairs to downstairs so you know exactly what we have done. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, again, here is the kitchen. Let me tell you what we have done over here, okay? So what we did, we ripped off the whole entire kitchen. It had basically, didn't have much backsplash. We put backsplash, countertop, with an island. Again, same thing here. Through the whole entire house, we put pot lights and we removed the popcorns and we put pot lights, as you can see, okay? So very open concept. With brand new appliances, the whole entire house. So fridge, stove, washer, dryer, everything is done. Okay, again, this is why you need to work with professionals, people that they know exactly what they're doing. Okay, so I myself have been doing this for a while and I could do this for you and I'll show you guys how to do it. It was very, very, very simple. Basically in 2 months we completed everything. Now let me show you the bedrooms and the washrooms. Okay, come on up with me. Okay guys, so this is the second level, the upstairs. So let me just tell you briefly here what we did. As you can see, we took out the whole entire staircase with new hardwood floors and with iron spindles that we have put, and there was a wall here. We removed the whole entire wall. Let me see if the camera could catch this whole background here, and removed all the carpets. Same thing again with all doors, trims, baseboards, and also light fixtures. Okay, and bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2. We created a linen closet here, which is amazing, and with a brand new 3-piece bathroom on the second level. Okay, take a look at it. So I'm going to show you the last basically bedroom, which is the main master bedroom upstairs, and then I'm going to take you guys downstairs. So again, let's take a look at upstairs again. Same thing, fully renovated. Hardwood floors, lights. We also upgraded the baseboards here. Same thing with the closets as well. Okay, and also give me 1 second. Let me turn the wall lights on here for you. All right. So here it is. Basically, that's the main washroom for the master bedroom. Okay, so anyways, last piece, come down with. Okay, so listen, this is the last area that I would like to show you guys. We actually restructured the whole, not the whole, but majority of the basement as well. In terms of the laundry room and the, basically the furnace room. Right, so we removed the whole laundry room from one side closer to the other, and we made another second bedroom, and we made it open concept. Okay, and same thing through the whole entire house. As you can see, floors, baseboards, ceilings, lights, light fixtures, and with another extra bedroom here. So this is the bedroom, and the laundry room we have converted down here. As you can see, beautiful laundry room. And with the 4th bedroom downstairs. Okay, so again, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, we do this on a regular basis. We've been doing it for the past 22 years, right? So it took us only 2 months. We invested about $80,000, and the return is going to be great. So we're hoping to hit our target. Okay, and by the way we're going to do this, we're going to show you before and after pictures. So now you see all the finishes, but at the same time we're going to show you guys the before pictures, how the property looked before the finishes. Okay, best of luck. If there's anyone who wishes or wants to start getting to renovating homes or flipping homes, please contact us, give us a call, and let's see what we can do with you. Okay, so we could put some money in your pocket as well. Thank you.